Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. Today I'm sharing DIY cute heart squishy keychain for upcoming Valentine's Day, or you can also give it as a birthday gift to your loved ones. So let's get started. First, you will need a memory foam or kitchen sponge. Then a heart-shaped template. Then just a quick look to this awesome unicorn pen that is gifted by my amazing friend Apurva. Thank you so much, girl. Then I'm tracing a heart template on memory foam. Next, cut it out with a pair of scissors. Once you are happy with the shape, then start painting it with your favorite fabric color. Then keep it aside to dry. After drying, insert an eye pin like I'm showing here. Make sure to apply a little bit of glue so that it will stay in place. Then you will need some golden thread and attach that to the heart like I'm showing here. Now start adding some colorful beads. Then finally attach keychain ring to the thread. I am attaching silver ring as I was unable to find gold one, but if you have gold ring then please use it as it will look more prettier. And our heart squishy keychain is ready. Next, I am adding kawaii face with black fabric paint. And this adorable heart squishy keychain is ready for gifting. If you like this video, then be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. And if you recreate it, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next video. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a great day. Happy crafting!